I think it stopped on this. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a hawk.
Alright guys, what's up? It's ᴛᴟᴜᴜ, and today we're sitting here at the Montrose Point Bird Sanctuary. Believe it or not, we're in the middle of the city at a bird sanctuary, and it's pretty beautiful. Look at it, it's beautiful, man. I don't see a lot of birds, but I see some bugs. There's a helicopter up there, so you know we're really urban right now. And you're gonna be able to even see the skyline from here. So I ate a mushroom. Like, this is dangerous. Kidding, guys, I did not. This is a public statement announcement, okay? Please do not leave your mark on our young plants, okay? Don't pee-pee out here. Oh, look at the paleta man. Say what's up to the paleta man. Am I focused?
It's back.
There's a butterfly. I don't know where it is.
I think it stopped on this. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That was a hawk.
That was a hawk.
That was a hawk.
I just got attacked by a hawk.
You always get so scared. There's a butterfly. There's multiple.
Look at the landing.
Look. What?
Guys, I just saw a giant hawk. I was attacked. I had a duck. Lucky I scraped my knees up, but am I in the view? I don't know. But I killed my camera person. So anyways, yeah, this hawk had like a it was a big damn hawk. I think it was a hawk. I'm not a bird watcher, so I don't know. It could have just been a big pigeon. There's a butterfly.
Look, there's one right there, sitting there on the pier thing.
A hawk?
Yep.
Alright guys, see? I'm not crazy. We've seen it. We got the hawk. Come in, Hawk 24.
I can't, oh, there we go. There we go. See? A huge bird.
We see the hawk. Hawks, come in. How can you see birds like this in this picturesque way? Look at. Oh yeah, he just went and ate something. Damn it, we missed a kill.
Nope, it's going. See, he picked something up. Yep. He has something.
He's coming this way.
He's coming this way.
Get him, get him.
Holy shit. That's crazy.
That's why we're here right now. That's why. We just saw a hawk go down, pick up. So we just saw a hawk go down and grab something and fly towards us. It's all on camera, and then fly over there. But the amazing part about that is, look at, we're in the bird sanctuary, right? In Chicago. But look at this. Look at this behind me. Look at that city though. Look at that city. Like, it's beautiful. Can't beat it. Alright guys, so this bird was literally on top of this thing stalking something, found it, and then took it and ate it. And it's crazy, but it's making me hungry. Oh, I think that's a seagull, which is nothing extra, but let's see if it does something for us. Come here, buddy. You know, we're gonna keep looking out for stuff though. We're trying to find the hawk that we just seen. We just literally watched the hawk grab some stuff. We don't know what the food was, but he grabbed it, and then he flew right towards us and took it somewhere. So I'm gonna take this path up. this is really right in the middle of the city. So for you to act like there's not pretty places or cool little getaway things to do right in the backyard, you're wrong, because there's a lot of cool things to do. I'm assuming over here is where the winos sit. I'm just kidding, there's nobody here. It is pretty crazy to me though, like how this is sitting right in the center of, near the city and by the beach and all that, but it's like a little thing of its own. Check this little crack spot out. I guess this is like the secret get into from the beach. I just saw bugs, lizards, or something. Look how pretty. Oh, there's a fence right here. Okay, okay. I just saw a pigeon at the bird sanctuary. All right. All right, come on, let's keep it moving. Look at the mushrooms. Look at these. Okay, look at that. See? I'm gonna get all high now. I just killed a mushroom for you guys. Yeah, we're in a bird sanctuary and this is like the third helicopter we've heard, so must be bothering the birds too. There is a famous spot out here called the Magic Hedge, and apparently like 300 different types of birds migrate there during the time that they migrate from the north to the south, or south to the north, I don't know. They get there. There's no real bird watchers out here for us to like follow or chase and see what they're doing. I don't have binoculars or nothing. You guys got to get outside though. It's beautiful out here. I mean, just like right now, I mean in general, just find stuff to do that's different. I didn't think I would be chasing a hawk in the city, but I am. If you look close, you can see all the birds nesting. There's a lot of bird nesting there. Pretty big. I don't even know how big this is. I have no map. Again, I know this is not like for educational purposes. Like, no. Find a free parking right here in Montrose. Park, get out the car, and walk. Pretty much. That's it. Find a trail, and then keep following it. So this is a definitely cool place to come. Check it out. Man, even if you come with your kids, look at these butterflies. They say it's a butterfly sanctuary too, because I guess there's so many beautiful butterflies. I've never seen so many beautiful butterflies in one location. I mean, they're like everywhere and gorgeous. So I'm gonna keep it moving, show you guys another couple views right here. Like the video, make sure you share the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave comments, good, bad, or ugly. I'll answer them all. And come out, man, get outside. When you want to do something a little bit different, go bird watching. Even if you never did it, even if you don't care about birds. I don't care about birds. And they obviously knew that, that's why they kicked me out. So, appreciate it. See you guys soon, peace out. Make sure you get to the Montrose Point Bird Sanctuary. Wait. Montrose Point Bird Sanctuary. Okay? Free. Open till 11 p.m. It's beautiful. You almost think you're somewhere else. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the like. Alright? Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I drop another video. And leave a comment, good, bad, or ugly. I always respond because that's what I'm supposed to do. Peace.